Yeah, so we've got this interesting dynamic where, we started the series off with the dealer.com crew, and there were 5 founders in that one, the mix of business knowledge and engineering knowledge and industry knowledge. And then, Jeff and I do Dealer Refresh together. And Jon, what would you say your dynamic is with today, and has it changed since you first started?
Yeah, so I started the company by myself. So for the really the first year and a half, I would say year, it was mostly me. Maybe about 9 months in, we had our first employee. But the critical moment to kind of take the analytics concept, I was really capable on the database design and database engineering, but I couldn't do the integrations. I needed help with that. And so a really good friend of mine, we're at a 4th of July party, shooting off fireworks in his backyard. And we had probably 6, 7, 8 beers. And I didn't even know he was a software developer. Didn't even know. And his name's Andy Haggerty. Andy, if you're watching, you're a legend. So Andy, I'm telling him just kind of what I'm working on. Because when you're starting something like this, you're obsessed with it. So you're just constantly telling everybody, and nobody cares mostly. You know what I mean? Just like, what is your deal? Go away. But Andy actually bit into it, and he was just super interested. And he's like, I can tear the shit out of some code, right? I'm like, what are you talking about, dude? And he's just like, no, I'm a full stack developer. I've been developing for 20 years, whatever. I'm like, shut up. He's like, yeah, I'll do it. I'll do it for free. I'm excited. Let's just figure it out. And so that was basically a handshake deal to dive in and start. And so he wrote the very first universal architecture for the integration layer, which was the critical thing that we needed to get to the next level. But man, I had probably talked to 30, 40, different developers prior to him looking for a partner. And he was the one that, clearly had the same kind of shared view of what we could do.
Yeah, I think fireworks and beer are required to start a business.
Yeah, we actually dove behind a bush that night. We accidentally, it was a great night. We had fireworks accidentally go off. It was pretty funny.